Hey guys, it's your girl Lakia Maria and welcome to another video here on the channel. Whether you're new to the channel or an OG, I primarily share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more. And today I'm going to be bringing you guys into a real-time setup of my 2023
So let's go ahead and start off with the basics. This is a Stalogy. The size is A5. The Stalogy also comes in B6 and A6 if that's something that you're into. I do have a video comparing the three sizes. Be sure to check out the description box for that. But I absolutely love the Stalogy. Some people don't like the paper because it's thin or they're shadowing. I just love how chunky this can get. And this is taking me back to when I used a B6 back in 2019. I loved it and I was so into it. And I didn't think I was going to like the A5, but I'm really enjoying it. So this doll is from Coco's Vision Shop. And then these larger decal stickers are from Honeybee Shop. Check out my collective haul video. I'll have that linked in the description box along with all the other shops that I mention and feature throughout this video. So always check the description box if you have a question on where something is from. So this doll, super fire. I'm thinking of leaving the main character energy sticker and then taking these two off and seeing how I like it and then building around it. Haven't quite decided yet. Then I also got this cover for the Stalogy. Everything's off of Amazon. It's in my Amazon storefront. And then these are stickers from Studio Bliss Co. It's 3 different kits. And I just tucked them in there. More Honeybee Shop stickers. And then this was packaging from one of my orders, one of my Etsy orders. And I just put a Coco Vision Shop doll, and then I have more stickers that I can add on. This pocket is from the Planner Society. The vellum is from Hobby Lobby. This particular vellum over here is from Isis Ella Jewels, as is this. This was actually a part of the packaging. I love when packaging doubles as decor in my planner. So right now where I am as far as my setup, so here's how 2023 looks, right? Got the cover page, boom, boom. We have January. I have a workout tracker that I've started for the latter half of it. And then what else do we have? I have more spots for stickers. And this I just added, and I'm going to add more stickers to it. And I'm going to decorate the other side of this. And I added in this little reading log. But I'm going to end up taking up these 3 bows, which are Planner Society stickers, and I'm going to put the actual cover of the books. I think I'm going to like that better. And then over here, I'm probably going to put some type of paper. Not sure what. I might have to print it and then put it on here because I don't have like any actual scrapbook paper that's pretty. I just have vellum. And I just have stickers just about everywhere because since I was using this Moterm and it had so much storage for all the stickers, this is going to be for my February dashboard. This is from Isis Ella Jewels, and I believe she's coming out with another collection. For sure going to be buying something from that. I really, really like it. And then I have some more stickers up. Where is it? Up here. So because I have everything in this bag, I just want to have everything. This doesn't fit inside of my purse at the moment, and I switch my purse out so much. So this is just what's working so far. Another thing that I went and did was tab off different pages. These are scalloped edges from Planner Society. So let's see what I actually tabbed off here. I tabbed off some fitness goals, and then I tabbed off, this is going to be my actual goals section. And then over here is just where I'm doing content. And I'm going to cut something on my Cricut and put content right here. So that's that. As for the stickers I'm going to be using, from the stickers that I have recently purchased to stickers that I have inside of here that I frequently reach for, that's going to be going on this sticker sheet. And then larger sticker sheets I'll either put in the front cover, in this envelope, or the back cover. So that's just a look into what I have going on. I'm still trying to piece everything together
and that's why I haven't sat down and done like a full complete flip, but that's where I'm at right now. And I'll be sharing with you guys more on the process of me cutting stickers on my Cricut, putting them inside the planner, and then we'll do a full flip. And I also have other stuff that I'll be sharing with you guys, that other projects I do on my Cricut as well. I've had a Cricut since 2020. I now have the Cricut Maker. I still have the Cricut Explore Air 2. Haven't sold it just yet. Not sure why, but I haven't sold it just yet. I'm just currently using the Cricut Maker. So we're gonna see how this setup turns out. I was going to, I'll show you this really quick. I was going to just create a page in the planner and have like 2 pages of the stickers, and I used regular sticker paper. Hold on. I used regular sticker paper, and I just used the backing of it so that I could just use the stickers. And I got that from Type A for Alexa. Makes amazing planner dashboards. But anyway, so I peeled off the actual sticker paper and I saved the backing, and now I'm going to be able to take the stickers on and off easier, opposed to like having it more mounted to the page. I think it's going to be more manageable to be able to lift this up and take the stickers on and off. And I'm thinking of just getting another piece of sticker paper. Just thinking of getting another piece of sticker paper and like doing the same thing on the back, and then I'll have stickers front and back. And yeah, so I do just about everything in this planner. I do my weekly to-dos, I do any projects I'm working on, any content I'm doing on my TikToks, stuff for YouTube. If you guys want to check out my TikToks, I'll have them linked below. One of my TikToks is at Lakia Maria, and then the other one is a wrestling TikTok. It's called at Lakia Half Right. I am a huge wrestling fan, so why not talk to other wrestling fans and build a following? So that's what I'm doing. Nothing too crazy. And feel free to let me know what you guys want to see in the comments. But that's where I'm at. I'll update you guys later on. But we're still building the planner. And it's normal. If you don't have your planner set up here in January, it's alright. We're going to get it together. We're going to do it together. So be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments. Be sure to check out all the links in the description box. If you're not subscribed already, hit that subscribe button. And give this video a like so I can know what other content you want to see. And that is it. You guys stay well, and I will see you in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.